Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fluent Start English channel. Today, I want to tell you a story about nothing is free. I will tell it in simple English so you can understand easily. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Tom. Tom lived in a small village. He was very happy, but he wanted many things. Tom wanted toys, sweets, and new clothes. He liked to dream about new things every day. One day, he heard about a market near his village. The market was very big. There were many shops, and many people were selling different things. Tom was very excited. He ran to the market. When he arrived, he saw a shop with a sign. The sign said, "Free sweets. Take as much as you want." Tom was very happy. He ran into the shop. He started taking candies and chocolates. He thought, "Wow, this is amazing. I get everything for free. I don't need money." After a few minutes, the shop owner came. The shop owner was an old man with kind eyes. He said, "Hello, young man. You are taking many sweets. But do you know? Nothing is free in life. Every sweet has a cost." Tom was confused. He said, "What do you mean? The sign says free." The old man smiled. He said, "Yes, the sweets are free. But if you want them, you must do something. You must help in my shop. You must clean the floor, arrange the shelves, and help other customers. Only then you can eat the sweets." Tom thought for a moment. He said, "Okay, I can do that." He started cleaning the shop. He worked hard all morning. He washed the floors, arranged the candies, and helped customers. At the end of the day, the old man said, "Well done, Tom. Now you can take some sweets." Tom was very happy. He took a few candies and ate them. He felt proud. He understood something very important. Even if something looks free, it always has a cost. The cost can be time, work, or effort. The next day, Tom went to the market again. He saw another shop. This shop had a big sign, "Free toys." Tom ran to the shop. He wanted to take many toys, but suddenly he remembered the lesson from the old man. He thought, "I should ask before I take. Nothing is free." Tom asked the shop owner, "Sir, can I take toys?" The shop owner laughed. He said, "Yes, you can take toys, but you must help me first. You must paint the walls, clean the shelves, and arrange the toys. Only then you can take a toy." Tom agreed. He worked hard again. He painted the walls, cleaned, and arranged the toys. After finishing, he took one toy. He was happy and felt proud. From that day, Tom understood an important lesson. He realized that everything in life has a cost. Sometimes the cost is money. Sometimes the cost is hard work. Sometimes the cost is patience. But if you are ready to give effort, you can enjoy the rewards. Tom started helping people in his village. He helped neighbors, cleaned the streets, and helped in schools. People loved Tom because he was kind and hardworking. One morning, Tom saw his friend Lily crying. He asked, "Lily, why are you crying?" Lily said, "I want a new dress for the festival, but my family cannot buy it. I feel sad." Tom thought for a moment. He said, "I can help you. Let's make something for the festival. We can clean the school and arrange the chairs. Then, maybe we can earn some money to buy the dress." Lily agreed. They worked together. They cleaned the school, painted the walls, and helped teachers. After a few days, they earned enough money. Lily bought a new dress. She was very happy. She hugged Tom and said, "Thank you, Tom. Now I understand that nothing is free. Hard work brings happiness." Tom smiled. He felt proud. He thought, helping others is better than taking things for free. One day, Tom went to the river. He saw many children playing. Some children wanted to swim, but they did not know how. Tom remembered his swimming lessons. He decided to teach the children. Tom said, "Come, I will teach you how to swim. But first, you must listen carefully and try hard." The children listened. They tried many times. Some children fell into the water, but Tom helped them. After a few days, all the children learned to swim. They were happy. They said, "Thank you, Tom. You taught us. We know that learning takes time and effort. Nothing is free." Tom smiled again. He was happy because he helped others. He understood that life is not about taking for free, but giving effort and helping people. The next week, Tom went to the village market again. This time, he saw a big tree with fruits. The fruits were very colorful. There was a sign, "Free fruits." Tom thought for a moment. He remembered all the lessons he learned. He said, "I will not take the fruits for free. Maybe someone worked hard to grow these fruits. I should help first." Tom asked the farmer, "Sir, can I take some fruits?" The farmer smiled. He said, "Yes, you can. But first, you must help me water the plants and collect the fallen leaves. Then, you can take some fruits." Tom agreed. He worked hard under the sun. He watered the plants, collected the leaves, and cleaned the area. At the end of the day, the farmer said, "Well done, Tom. You can take some fruits." Tom took some fruits and shared them with his family and friends. Everyone was happy. Tom said, "I am happy too. Hard work makes happiness bigger." From that day, Tom became known as a hard-working and kind boy in his village. Everyone loved him. People said, "Tom is smart and kind. He knows that nothing is free. He works hard and helps others." Tom's story teaches us many lessons. We learn that everything has a cost. Sometimes the cost is work. Sometimes it is time. Sometimes it is patience. If we are ready to give effort, we can enjoy good things in life. Sometimes we see things online or on TV that look free, but even there, we give our time, attention, or effort. Life is the same. To get good things, we need to work, learn, and try our best. Tom also learned another lesson. He learned that helping others is more important than taking things for free. When we help others, we feel happy and proud. We also make friends and people like us. Tom grew up to be a very wise man. He started a small shop in his village. He always remembered the old man who taught him the first lesson. Tom helped his customers. He said, "You can take things, but remember, nothing is free. Work hard and help others." People loved Tom's shop. They worked hard and were happy. Tom said, "Effort, patience, and kindness bring happiness. Nothing is free, but everything is possible if you try." I hope you enjoyed this story, friends. Remember, work and effort are very important in life. Always do your best and never give up. Be kind, help others, and keep learning. If you liked this story, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, friends. See you in the next video.